Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to change phone number on Telegram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. On Telegram, you can change your phone number and your account, and all your cloud data, including messages, media and contacts, will be moved to new number, so you're not gonna lose any of your data. And now let me show you how you can easily change your Telegram number. So first, open up Telegram app and then right here, hit on settings. On settings, all you have to do is hit right there where it says edit. That moves you to that page where you can easily find change number feature. It shows your current number here, and all you have to do is just tap right there to move to that page. Right here, you can tap at change number, and now there all you have to do is put in a new number here, just in that way. After that, just hit add continue, and Telegram will send an SMS with confirmation code to your new number. Once you enter the confirmation code, your phone number will be changed to new one. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and don't forget to like this video, and see you in the next one.